in this video, I'm going to show you how you can play Clash Royale the official way. So you just want to go to this site right here, press get started on PC, install it by clicking the installer like this. Okay, press install. I have it installed, so I won't be installing it, but you get the option, and then go play games like this, and then scroll down, and as you can see right below Clash of Clans, right below Clash of Clans, you have Clash Royale. You want to there's gonna put be an install button here. Press on it, and then you just click play. To make it full screen like I did, you just want to press Shift Tab when you're in the game, and press this button right here, full screen. Yep, and now you're full screen. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.